Hi, I'm Alec Boyle, and I've been a full-time realtor for over 20 years. Today I'm going to talk to you about choosing the right realtor or finding the right realtor. So when I want to find a restaurant to go out to dinner to, I do my research. I look on Google, I check reviews, talk to a couple friends, and find the right place. Same thing with finding a realtor. Talk to a couple of friends, get online, look at their Google reviews, look at their Zillow reviews, Zillow profile. Make sure they're the right person for you. Are they responsive? Do they know the markets? Do they go above and beyond? A great realtor isn't just about finding the house. It's also making it a fun process, making it a very smooth process. And then, of course, after you buy the home, are they still there for you? Whether it's 6 months down the line or 2 years down the line. So remember, do your homework, check the reviews, talk to friends, and then get out there, set up some interviews, meet a few realtors and find the right person for you. And when you're in that process of doing that, give me a call. Happy to meet with you too. Thank you.